If young people would just stop buying their avocado toast and lattes, they'd be able to buy a house. This sentiment isn't exactly true. Inflation is way up, 10 things at the grocery store now cost $100, and paychecks have stayed pretty stagnant to say the least. That's why you should earn smarter and get cash back on everyday purchases like gas, restaurants, and groceries with the Upside app. Hey everyone, I'm Carrie and welcome to the Upside channel where we share personal finance lessons that you should have learned in school. But instead we had civics? No recollection of what that was about. Let's get real though. It's hard out here. And our goal with this channel is to share the lessons and the hacks to help more of us achieve personal stability and beyond. And it's all about making smarter choices in the ways that we earn and how we spend and save. I've worked since I was 15, starting as a waitress, and now I'm a business owner. And trust me, I have made a lot of money mistakes, but I've also learned a lot of money hacks and lessons along the way that I'm excited to share with you. At one point in my career, I was actually an accredited financial advisor to mutual funds and hedge fund managers. And that's where I learned that wealthy people didn't get rich by depriving themselves of eating out. They know that there are more ways to make and earn money than to save. And it's all about making smarter choices in your day-to-day life. And a big part of that is earning more money wherever you can. So whether you're an Uber or DoorDash driver hustling at your new job or school, or you're a new parent, it's time to earn smarter and to save better and to stress less, all the while doing your thing. And with Upside, it's so easy. The Upside app gives you cash back for everyday life. And when you use Upside, you continually offset these higher costs by earning real cash that you can use for whatever you want. And the catch? Well, there really isn't a catch. An Upside is all about giving you more purchasing power for the things that you need the most. So after you download the app, you can find your local offers on gas prices, restaurants, and everything in between. And when you sign up with the code YouTube, you get a bonus 25 cents per gallon off your first gas fill up. The Upside app is super simple. After you sign up, just add the credit cards that you already use, and now you're ready to start saving. In the app, select the cashback offer and the location, and then tap claim. Then shop the same as you normally do at the location and pay with any credit card or debit card that you've added to the Upside app. Check in to log your purchases and then continue with the rest of your day. The only change is having money in the bank 2 to 4 days later that you can cash out whenever you want via PayPal, an e-gift card, or directly into your bank account. There are no limits on how much you can earn because Upside works with other coupons, discounts, loyalty programs, and all at the same time, no restrictions. And if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell because I've got more money hacks and easy ways to earn in future videos. Let's get into all the ways that you can bulk up your bank account with Upside. Life is built on our daily habits, and a big one for a lot of us is driving our vehicles to work and to and from work, or just picking up the kids. If you save or earn money from these everyday actions, it can really add up in the long run. Let's face it, gas is really expensive. And that's why Upside partners with over 30,000 fueling locations across the US. And when you sign up and enable location settings, you'll be alerted about offers at nearby gas stations. And all you have to do is add your card to the Upside wallet so your transactions will be recorded. And once you're done fueling, tap I've paid and your cash back will be in your account in 2 to 4 days. I mean, it's really that simple. And if driving or delivery is a big part of how you make your living, the benefits of Upside gas earnings are limitless. Upside partners with apps like DoorDash, Uber, and Lyft so you can earn extra when you fill up. I'm talking about hundreds of dollars per year. More cash, less stress, more money to save for a down payment, or hey, maybe just more avocado toast. Speaking of food, let's talk grocery shopping. It's not everyone's favorite thing, but for me, it can be kind of motivating and even a little bit fun, to pull out your grocery list and to head to the store. Well, at least when I know I'll get up to 30% cash back on my groceries with Upside on top of loyalty savings. Remember, you can still use in-store coupons, loyalty programs, and deals while getting Upside cash back. No constraints. When you find the grocery offer you want in the app, claim it and shop as usual, and you'll get cash in your account after you check out. Upside is adding more and more grocery stores across the US, so download the app and then subscribe to this channel to stay updated on our new cashback partners. Okay, we can probably all agree on something that's a little more fun than grocery shopping: eating and dining out. Or at least it's fun until you have to pay. But Upside takes the stress out of getting handed the check. you can get up to 45% cash back on restaurants across the US. And once you've claimed your in-app offer and paid for your meal, you'll see your cashback balance increase in just a few days. Plus, saving money is better for everyone. You can get that extra drink and leave a good tip for your server. Win-win. And when your friends see how much you're saving with the Upside app, they're gonna start wanting to split the check, less calculating how much you owe each other and more money in the bank for everyone. So now you know Upside is one of the easiest ways to earn smarter while we're out here just living. Download the app by clicking the link in the description and use the promo code YouTube to get a bonus 25 cents per gallon off your next fuel up. We'll be posting even more videos with earning hacks and savings tips and personal finance tips. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.